Hello children, this is Charan ma'am here. Today we are going to listen to sounds. First sound and last sound in few words. Let us begin with the first sound. What sound do you hear first when I say bag? Bag. B. What sound do you hear first when I say cat? Cat. K. What sound do you hear first when I say jet? Jet. J. What sound do you hear first when I say hen? Hen. What sound do you hear first when I say lid? Lid. L. What sound do you hear first when I say zip? Zip. Z. What sound do you hear first when I say log? Log. L. What sound do you hear first when I say fox? Fox. F. What sound do you hear first when I say sun? Sun. S. What sound do you hear first when I say mug? Mug. M. Let us listen to the last sound. What sound do you hear last when I say hat? Hat. T. What sound do you hear last when I say fan? Fan. What sound do you hear last when I say leg? Leg. G. What sound do you hear last when I say bed? Bed. D. What sound do you hear last when I say nib? Nib. B. What sound do you hear last when I say wig? Wig. G. What sound do you hear last when I say box? Box. X. What sound do you hear last when I say top? Top. P. What sound do you hear last when I say bud? Bud. D. What sound do you hear last when I say bus? Bus. S. Similarly, children, your parents will say out few words. You have to listen and say the first sound or the last sound. Thank you.